everybody, I'm Prusilla, the newest Prusa 3D printer XL. XL stands for extra large. Please, can you donate and help bring me home? You remember when you wanted that coffee roaster or that fancy embroidery machine or that spiral mixer? We're doing it again. Members are running this fundraiser. Those 3D printers that you have at MakeHaven now, they can't do what I do. Can they print 2 colors at the same time? I come with multiple extruders. And maybe in the future, if you love it, we can add more extruders. What else can I do? Automatic first layer calibration. You don't have to worry about calibrating every time anymore. It's automatic. And talk about size, it's 14 by 14 by 14 build volume. I am that size. Think about what you can make. When are we doing it? We're doing it right now. MakeHaven's already in line. All I'm waiting for is you members to donate so that we can bring me home.